Why is your YouTube video not getting views? You added a nice thumbnail, you used your best motivational voice, but somehow, crickets. Let me tell you, your video isn't getting seen because YouTube doesn't know what it's about. Today, I'm showing you how to use tags, hashtags, and chapters to help YouTube push your content and finally start growing that channel. If you've ever shouted, "God, where are the views?" Today is your divine appointment. Let's go. What are tags and why they matter? Tags are those keywords you add behind the scenes when uploading your videos. They tell YouTube, hey, this video is about YouTube growth for beginners, or this is a motivational video for digital entrepreneurs. So let's say you made a video titled How to Start a Business with No Money in Nigeria. Instead of random tags like hustle, entrepreneur, try this, start a business in Nigeria, online business 2020, add your year, how to make money online in Africa. Now YouTube knows exactly who to show your video to. So this is a mini tip. Use tags that are phrases, not just words. Grow your YouTube channel is better than just YouTube. How I add tags. Let's go to the YouTube studio real quick. I'm uploading a video on how to create digital products. So in the tag section, I'm typing digital product ideas, how to sell digital products, digital product tutorial, and boom, that's helping YouTube understand my content before a human even watches it. This is a series from my YouTube Upload Mastery. The book is out. This book contains all the secret upload steps the pros are using to blow up their channels, and it's free for just a limited time. So check in the description and get your copy while it's still free. Section 2, hashtags that help you rank. This is where people get it twisted. YouTube hashtags are not like Instagram ones. So don't write something like hashtag boss babe, hashtag God first, hashtag blessed life. YouTube doesn't know what to do with that. Use hashtag related to the content topic, like hashtag how to grow on YouTube. Put 2, 3 in your description or just one at the bottom of your title. There was one time I was searching for something on YouTube and I typed YouTube something, I think YouTube growth. And I was seeing different videos that does not even relate to YouTube. So I was wondering, why are these videos coming up? Some of them are even musical videos. Some of them are just gaming, but not about the title I typed in. Where are these videos coming up? I went back and I started checking all the videos. They all had hashtag YouTube at the end of their title. And I said, oh, this really works. So I was seeing them now because they added hashtag YouTube after their title. Search YouTube for your video topic. See what hashtags other videos with 10K plus views are using. Copy the style. Section 3, chapters keep people watching. Chapters are hidden gem. YouTube loves them. It boosts your watch time because viewers can skip to what they want, and if they skip and stay, you win. So this is an example of a chapter format. In your description, you have to add this. Intro, 1 to 10 seconds, what are YouTube tags, 520, best tags for beginners. Now you have to sit down, watch your videos and write out the timing by yourself, or you can use YouTube automatic timestamps. Sometimes it makes mistakes, but it's preferable for you to do it by yourself, so you can put in the exact chapter title. Why does chapters work? When people see chapters, it builds trust. They are like, oh, this person is organized. That's retention gold. Let me call out a few common mistakes. No shame, we're growing together. Number 1, using Instagram hashtag like hashtag ministry goals, hashtag anointed dance cutes. 2, no chapters at all. Tags that are just money, fun, online. Those tags are too vague. Say this instead. Use specific like make money online for beginners, faith-based motivation for entrepreneurs, start an online business, with no money. So here is your cheat sheet. Use 3 to 5 keyword rich tags. Add 2 to 3 relevant hashtags. Always include chapters if your video is longer than 5 minutes. That's it. You just learned how to speak YouTube's language. If this video helped you, wait till you grab my YouTube upload mastery. It shows you step by step what to do, from titles to thumbnails, description, hashtag, timestamps, end screen, cards, subtitles, and so much more. This is a master pro guide to changing your upload strategy forever. It's going to be free for just a limited time, so click the link in the description and get your copy. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on your notification bell so when I upload the next video in this series, you will get notified.